Now we need to open Task Manager. So click here to open it. Then select File. Click on Run New Task. Now click here. Then click on this PC. Just scroll down and open C drive. Then open Windows folder. Then open this folder. After that, just scroll down and select CMD file and click on open. Now check this box and then click on open. Now we are going to execute some commands. These commands are really important. You can manually type these commands, or to avoid mistakes you can simply copy and paste these commands from the page I will show you. So open Google Chrome and simply type here google.com. Then in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link from www.hows.tech. On this page, just scroll down and right click on command number 12. Select copy. Then right click here, click on edit and select paste. Then hit enter to execute the command. Now again go back to the page and copy command number 13. Again paste that command on command prompt and hit enter. Once done, type exit and hit enter to close the command prompt. Go to search bar and type CMD, then click here to open it. Now you will get this command in the description below. Just copy it and paste it here to avoid mistakes and hit enter to execute it. Now paste this command and hit enter. Okay, now we are going to move to the next step. And let's restart the system. You don't need to restart your system. We are going to execute this second step now. Okay, now again go to search bar and type here settings. Click here to open it. Then select network and internet. Now scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Then select network reset and click on reset now. Select S. Okay. Again try to restart your system. It may solve your problem. If not, just go to search bar and type device manager. Click here to open it. It will open a new window, device manager. Then expand network adapter. Now uninstall it and simply close this window and again restart your system. Now the next step is very important. Go to search bar and type control panel. Click here and then click on network and internet. Select network and sharing center and click on your internet connection status. Now go to properties and select IPv4, that is Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties and check this option. and type these DNS server addresses here and click on OK. Then close this windows. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.